Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your interest on Medium, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then go to your profile which is at the bottom of the screen, the last icon, then click on the settings and then you can see the customize your interests. So here are my topics, but if you scroll down you can see other topics as well and you can follow them by click on the following icon, and then at the top of the screen you can see the people. Here you can follow people, and then the last one is publications. Here you can see the publications and you can follow those as well. So this is how you can customize your interest on Medium. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.